Or something.
Y'all see we got Bum Hungry, man. Y'all see one of the flyest designers right here, my boy Torin, man. TS, man. Y'all see Bum Hungry, man.
Opening the shop next Friday.
Come on.
Next Friday.
Come on.
Still hot out here. This is Mr. George.
How you doing, George? I'm Isaiah, Zay-Z. I'm with Productions.
Okay.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
I had said hi the other day in the silver BMW. If you see me wave, that was me. That was me.
Oh, okay.
I didn't seen a lot of your work. I know you a legend, man. You're an influential entrepreneur, mogul, man, and I'm proud of you because this is all you, man, and you're inspiring a lot.
Okay.
Even if you didn't know, I know you know, but I'm letting you know from another young to OG. You inspiring a lot, man, and that's an amazing designer right there to your right, man. You doing great by him, man. He doing great by himself.
That's why we connect.
Following you, man. I like seeing y'all contributing together. To me, it's a whole TV show how I watch his Insta story, how I see it from my point of view, because I respect my elders, you feel me? So, yeah. Y'all give game sometime by just actions, even though y'all do speak it to us. But it's like, see what I'm doing, young brother. Look at how I'm doing it and pick it up. God say use all our senses, you feel me? So at the same time, if you got sense, you gonna see sense, you feel me? So with that being said, this is huge. This is not little, man. I want you to know I didn't pay attention, and before this just got painted, this came in here from the materials coming in. Yeah, man. He and it's not that he's showing everything, but he's showing the dope stuff what need to be seen. And I'm a model designer myself, videographer. I'm into fashion myself. So at the same, come on, man, look at these hand painted by Torin himself, man. Sheesh. We finna get right into these. But in my instincts, I want to continue letting you know. I want to give you your flowers, but my flowers from me to you. You feel me? I appreciate you, George. You feel me? Because this right here in the community, you feel me? And at the same time, for fashion designers, this is really designing. Right. Like all the way around. I just seen the bike joint. I know you did that. Yeah, look, this is my first time coming in here, and I already know about a lot of your pieces. You feel me? This is dope. This is huge, and it's only gonna get bigger. Even though it's big now, and this didn't happen overnight. But I never knew, as many years that I passed by here, I never knew this was in here until I started following him.
I'm just starting. This was once a dry cleaners.
Yeah.
And actually a year next month.
Okay.
I was on 54th Street.
OMG, quick question, are you from here?
I'm American now, but
okay.
I'm multinational.
That's tight. That's tight. I hear it. I could tell though. And the reason I asked because I seen who you had on the wall.
Okay. Yeah.
To know that like that.
Yeah.
That's higher. That's different. Higher learning.
I grew up being a Garveyite.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow.
I was aware of what the contribution we made over the years. You know, my dad met Marcus Garvey.
Wow, my little brother went to that school.
But he met Marcus
the
Garvey.
Real one, right.
My dad was 9 years old, and Malcolm X was a friend of my dad.
Wow. That's huge.
Yeah.
That's huge.
Yeah.
Mr. Marcus G.
Sure is the school down the street.
Oh, you mean you're in Slauson?
Yeah, it's a little private school. My little brother used to go there. And it used to be on my old block, 5th Ave in Slauson. I used to live right there.
Right, yeah. It's been there for a while now.
Yeah. They just, I don't know if it's back. I think it might be back open. They had closed it down for a little bit of time, doing some different renovations to it or different things for the children. Harriet Comstock, New York. Man, that's beautiful right there.
Everything, like I said, story. Well, my grandmother used that by ship to Detroit.
Oh, that's a family heirloom.
Years ago, yes.
And that's how Louis making their luggage and different things right now.
Well,
that's crazy.
Louis started with that.
Yeah?
Yeah, with Trump.
Sheesh. Wow. One of my favorite lessons, you know, in school was history, you know, and architect, you know. So I love blueprints. I love I love seeing the things be builded from the bottom to the up. I like how the different designs. I love details, you know.
Slave ship.
Oh yeah, that joint right there, man. How they had them lined up in that boat like that is diabolical.
Between 2 feet of wood. Between each floor, laying on their back. Right?
Shoulder to shoulder.
WLCAC.
That's from
Mars Attack, that movie is classic, bro. I never knew they had a toy, bro.
And they come with a floppy disk in the back.
Damn.
Y'all know about video games, not Microsoft 95.
Come on, man.
Floppy disk in the inside.
That's legendary.
A lot of people don't know about Japanese Batman.
Sheesh. That's crazy. Batman, my favorite, my favorite Marvel, man.
1,500 of those made. In the world.
Sheesh.
I don't know what box that is, but it's only 1,500 pieces of those. Japanese Batman. So I didn't know they had one.
Damn. Yeah, that's the type you have in a.
Art pieces and whatnot.
Look at that.
That's right. You seen? I saw those 2 paintings last week.
At the sit down.
I
At the
didn't have nothing to say. I was like, George, I'm gonna sell George. He's like, you got paintings.
That's fire. I seen that one in the Bart one.
Them shit sold. I was like, damn.
Come on, man. On the spot though, man. But you got a different hand for real, man. You got a real gift with this for real, and I really value it, man, and appreciate it, bro. You being my bro, but at the same time, letting you know from another artist to another artist, man. It's unique, gifted hands, bro. Come on, look at the details.
Oh yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Take care.
Appreciate you.
Okay.
God bless you.
I hope to see you.
Of course, I'm always around.
Okay.
You probably gonna put that on YouTube.
Soon. It's gonna be fast. Look at the details. And how the people painted on there. That's crazy. The flames go hard. Yeah, them details is hard. Yeah. Sheesh. Come on, man. Look at straight bum hungry, man.
We was down the street with it. We were around the corner. We were around the block. Over here on Slauson. This is all marker. So it got that more vintage look.
Damn.
Super vintage style.
Them details.
Washed like
bruh.
6 times already.
Damn.
Shit.
Look at that patchwork go crazy, bro. They give it like a thermal setting compared to the rest, but I like how
Zippers on the bottom.
that part crazy.
Oh yeah, top of the pants. Zippers. Yo, word. Different styles.
That's fine.
That's what they asked for. My favorite style of shorts is cutting jeans and get more of a belt type bottom for your shorts. Re-stitch cuffs. Re-stitch your cuffs in.
That's fire. The art on those, man. Damn.
Inside
I
pocket.
see that, man. Come on, man. Pockets full, man. You got multiple
blazer pocket
options.
from blazer jacket.
You got multiple options, nah.
Corduroy, I love corduroy. It's all gonna be corduroy. For sure.
Sheesh. I see that's not coming down. That is sold in now.
Right.
Yeah.
I'm gonna show them the jukey and to the back door, George.
Huh?
I'm gonna show them the jukey to the back door. I got it unlocked.
Hey, let me look there.
Oh yeah, come through here, man.
All right.
Keep the camera rolling.
Come on.
It's a whole little
Oh, he's gonna see the nest right there. This one.
workshop. Mess. No, it's a beautiful mess though.
Right. This is beauty.
It's a beautiful mess. It's still echoing off the wall back there. Crazy. Chuki here.
That's where the magic happens, man.
Japanese sewing machine. Which I found today. This is a super original one. This is an original Chuki machine right here. Straight from Japan.
That was the one on your story?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Check it out. Nah, it just ran on electricity, ran on the oil. Got motor oil in here. So it runs smoothly. High fast speeds. There's no domestic house
That
machine.
is one of those
This
ones.
is a real deal.
I didn't know that was the name of them. I seen one not too long ago. I'm like, was that liquid inside of there?
Yeah, that's oil.
That's
They
oil.
run on oil.
Damn. I think it was your story I seen it on. Y'all got another one in here, or this was the one? No, because you just got this one.
They all do that.
Yeah, no, that was your story then. I'm
Yeah.
thinking about when I seen it, but if you, no, that's you. I gotta correct it. That was you, bro.
This teaching go way up here. That's one thing I'm still learning too. He's teaching me how to still thread these. These are a monster to thread. Threading these.
That's hard.
You know what that's going on?
That's hard.
You know what this is going on?
That's hard.
This is for the mini bikes.
Yeah, on the side.
This is going on the front handlebars.
Oh, the handles.
Yeah, so this is 3 inches. This is the same width of the handlebars on a mini bike. We're gonna put a clamp right here, so you clamp this like that. So you
That's
ride.
different. That's
Tools,
different.
some
That's
drinks,
different.
some candies, whatever you want to put in there.
I'm thinking that was camera bag at first. That's whole mini bike
It's a mini
bag,
bike
man.
They ain't been making them. This is the first ever mini bike satchel bag. You can't attach them on the side of your bike. You can have them on the front. Later on, they come with a headlight.
Let me fix
Headlight,
this.
drink pool container will be on the side. All your tool stuff will have places to put your tools and zippers. We do everything that's dedicated to street. Mini bikes are street.
Come on.
So for sure, mini bikes gonna be in there. We already make an accessory for mini bikes.
Come on. How long did it take you to make that piece right there,
This
man?
was a 4-day piece right here. You will only know that this is made by Bone Hungry if it has this yellow tab too. So our signature yellow tab comes with this bag with the 2 old school duffel bag pulleys.
That's
Like I said,
fire.
the bag will come with a
I
clamp.
see the details, man.
Come with a clamp. This goes all the way through.
But that's what I was just about to get into, that part right there. That
What?
detail is crazy because it don't stop there.
No,
It don't
no.
stop. When they get to that and they see them 2 buttons, it don't
Mhm.
stop right there. It's going through.
Going
Y'all see them
through the ear
details?
now, and
Come
we
on,
plug it back
man.
with the, rivets.
That's
Keep it
real
nice and
innovation, man.
professional looking. Yellow stitching.
No wasted material, nah.
No way.
Come on.
This is made out of. This is actually made out of pig.
Sheesh.
So this whole bag is pig. You see this little anti-roll bag, and unless you see this detail here, with this hidden slither. So there's a couple ways to find out if you got a real Bone Hungry bag. Do little intricate things to make it show that this is real. So if your bag doesn't have this, it's not a real Bone Hungry bag. You always gotta add in some little weird something.
Nah. He
that
got,
is
come on,
brand.
Bum Hungry known for his unique designs, man. Stamps, for surely.
Inside, still not finished yet, but the inside will be wrapped. Will be wrapped inside out. It'll be wrapped here with deer skin.
Sheesh.
Deer skin is on the softest.
That's crazy. I was about to say some fur in that is stupid. It's crazy like
Yeah.
that, but fur in that, crazy.
Have
Deer
fur in
skin,
here.
that's different.
It's gonna be deer skin. My other idea, if not deer skin, I was gonna do graphic tees and just put my whole graphic design, put the t-shirt inside. Or
Fire.
fire, right?
Fire.
Ain't seen it.
Fire.
Yeah, I was gonna do graphic tee inserts on all my bags. So when I
Fire.
draw my bags, they'll have like a dope ass cartoony.
A whole
graphic
comic,
inside.
a whole
Yeah.
joint, another episode,
Hell
some
yeah.
art, you feel me, that opens up, that speaks with the design.
Tell you.
I see you, man.
So we got, I do inserts on jackets. I did this one last week. Put that one right in there. No, they come with this jacket.
Now that's fire.
Look like a corduroy jacket. Got another patch there. Boom.
Different.
Yes, sir. What else we got here? Levi's jacket. I
Oh,
moved
yeah,
the
that's
collar,
the infamous
moved the
joint.
collar out the way. Kept it the same way. You see how they both cheat off the inch on the sides.
Uh-huh.
But this blended into the collar now. So now you got a tie. It's a jean.
Come on, man.
It's a jean overall strap.
Come
Tie
on,
and
man.
put together is fly.
That's different,
You
bruh.
needed something different. You didn't even have to do too much to this. It was just that. You know, crazy materials. Feel this for yourself. I'm gonna start working with it. It's a real deep.
That's
highs.
real. This high
It's
material.
real high. So like more stuff like this. You know, I'm telling you.
That ain't for the weak, nah.
You know, first I'm gonna have a lot of jeans, totes. Sometimes I might get exclusive $1,600 jacket. $1,600 Michael Jordan jacket. Gifted from George.
That poor. That's hard.